Hello, it's Mrs.Z. Okay, guys, this is grade 5, mission 2, lesson 3, exit ticket. Draw a model. Then write numerical expressions. Numerical means they are numbers, no letters. And the draw model. The difference between 847s and 747s. So first, when you see difference, it means it has to be operation minus, subtract. Okay. And if they say between, that means between this and this has to be minus. So that minus going to be right there in between. So in order to find when you have and, that means you can use parentheses that will be somewhere in that. So now you kind of have how it's going to look on here. So when you say 847s, it means that here is an invisible multiplication. So that means the dot represents a multiplication as well. Europeans always use, instead of x, we use dot. So and this means it's 8 times, and now 47. I can use my parenthesis around. I can put minus in between those numbers. And 7 times 47. 47. And I got my expression. This is expression. It does not have equation. So if you like to draw a model, you could do 8 groups of 47, and then you can subtract 7 of those. So if I look this, let's see if I have used. Okay, I'm gonna start 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. That would be 8. So I could do, thinking, because the numbers said 47 and 47, the numbers are the same, so the units will be the same. So I'm going to make 8 units of 47, and let's see if I use my ruler, I can make this. That. And then I will make each of these. So if you needed to solve it, it would be so simple, because you have 847, so 47, 47, 47, 47, 47, 47, 47, and 47. So what they wanted you to say the difference, what is different between 847 and 747. So what you need to give away is 747. So if I take this and then I say, okay, I can cross it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 47. So then the 147 is, because you subtract the same groups. You 8 groups of 47, and you give away to someone 7 groups of 47. So only what is left is 1 group of 47, which is solution of it. They only ask for expressions, so this is expression. And then if you like to do equation, that means you can say 8 47 minus 7 47 equals 147, which is equals 47. And that would be, this is additional. You don't need it for the extra ticket, but it's good to know in the case there need to be show expression and then find the equation, answer the problem. So 6 times the sum of 12 and 8. So if you look this, 6 times, sum is plus, so times is going to be, and the sum is going to be of sum of what? Two numbers. So when you see the end, that means this is going to be here plus, and in between these two numbers you will need you will need parentheses. So sum of 12 and 8, but 6 times that. So when you put all this together, you can say, okay, 6 times. Sometimes you guys, they John in this 5th grade needs to know, I don't need to put here times, but I know it's invisible multiplication. So yeah, 6 times 12 plus 8, that is expression of the so this is I can just put this is expression of that word situation. So now that you can also draw picture 6 groups. So that means, look, 6 times 12 plus 8. That's the same thing. It's just invisible multiplication is right here that you usually don't put it in, but it needs to know in between numbers and parentheses there is multiplication operation. 6 groups of this, 12 plus 8. So you can make just a 6 of the, let's make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 would be a lot, but that's okay. I'm going to, okay, 1, 2, okay, and then this one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got that? It make smaller, which would be 6 groups of 12 plus 8. That's what this. You will see it's going to be very easy to. So 6 groups: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6. 12 plus 8. 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 So that it's really, if we needed to solve it, it's really 6 groups of 12 plus 8 is same as 6 times 20, which makes 120. Just additional. You don't need to do it. This is only what you need to know from this. Okay. Now, compare the two expression using more, less, or equal. More, less, or equal. So when you do this, you look what is in parentheses. So first, these are the parentheses. And if the parentheses are the same like the one before, 8, 12 plus 8, look, it's same. So over here, you can see that this part of this factor and this term, both are the same. So you could think, oh, 62 groups of this. And then also you can go the other side, 26 groups of this. It doesn't matter which way you go. It's it's commutative property works. So I could put 26 first and then 70 plus 8 in parentheses on this. So it would be like 62 groups of this and then 26 groups of this. So I'll go just so who has more groups? 26 groups of this or 62 groups of this? Of course, there is more 62 groups of that same number. And then if you seek a solution, you can just do 62 minus 26. And then that how many groups of this will be as how much more is this than this. That's the whole the thing. All right, that was grade 5, mission 2, lesson 3. And I'm hoping that that did make sense to you. Okay, go look. Now you can see all this, what we did. Right? Okie dokie. See you next time, guys. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.